Hello everyone, I am Narayanji. Today we will discussing last topic of class 12 chapter 2, that is food myths. In previous video we already discussed the topic pitfalls of dieting. So let's go the topic food myths. The word is myth means mythak. We can say that a traditional story accepted as history means पहले से चली आ रही सुनी सुनाई बातें जिन्हें हम सच मानते हैं और उसे फॉलो भी कर रहे हैं, जो कि सही है कि नहीं, नो एक्चुअल फैक्ट. सेम एज फूड myths. There are various food myths which are prevailing not only in India but all over the world. What to eat, when to eat and how often to eat are ऐसे क्वेश्चन जनरली हमें कंफ्यूज कर देते हैं और हम इन मिथकों पर बिलीव भी कर लेते हैं बिकॉज दे साउंड लाइक दे कुड बी ट्रू. Nowadays we have scientific knowledge and on this basis of that knowledge we should not believe in food myths. The most common food myths which are still prevalent in your contemporary society, they are: first myth is potato make your fat. जनरली सभी को यह मिथ है कि आलू का सेवन करेंगे तो मोटापे में वृद्धि होगी या वेट बढ़ेगा, जो कि ऐसा नहीं है. पहले people used to think that carbohydrate rich foods such as rice, potato, etc. increases body weight. So for reducing weight, they used to eliminate carbohydrate rich food from the diet. Now we know that कार्बोहाइड्रेट हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी के लिए सबसे अच्छा स्रोत है. पोटैटो डू नॉट ऑटोमेटिकली मेक यू फैट, सो देयर is no problem in taking potato in modern quantity. Now second myth is fat free products will help you in losing weight. अब सेम myth यह भी है कि फैट फ्री फूड हमारे वेट को कम करते हैं. फैट फ्री लेवल प्रोडक्ट कैन लीड टू weight gain. In fact, these food have more calories. Approximately these products have same number of calories in comparison to other regular food. In addition, most of the person eat more quantity of labeled food under the misconception that is comprises less calories. However, they ultimately consume more calories which can cause weight again. Now third myth is egg increases cholesterol level, so avoid them. There is no doubt that egg is very helpful for our body. An egg provides you various nutrients such as protein, vitamin A, B, C, D, A, B, D, not C, zinc, iron, calcium, phosphorus, etc. It also fulfills the daily requirement of cholesterol by our body. So taking one egg daily causes no problem in the level of cholesterol. Now number 4 myth is drinking while eating makes you fat. The actual fact behind this misconception is that enzymes and their digestive juice will be diluted by drinking water while eating. It will slow down your digestion, which may lead to excess body fat. In contrary, there is a scientific fact that drinking water while eating improves digestion. Now, fifth myth, don't take milk immediately after eating fish. काफ़ी लोगों में यह मानना है कि फिश खाने के तुरंत बाद मिल्क नहीं लेना चाहिए। दे थिंक दैट इट विल मेक यू सिक। तथा कुछ लोगों का यह भी मानना होता है कि फिश खाने के तुरंत बाद अगर दूध लेते हैं तो आपकी स्किन पे धब्बे स्पॉट हो सकते हैं। एज ए मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट देयर इज नो साइंटिफिक रीजन इन टेकिंग मिल्क immediately after eating fish. Indeed, these products may be taken together. Number 6 myth is starve yourself if you want to lose weight. ऐसे भी मिथ लोगों के अंदर भरे पड़े हैं। कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको अपना वेट लूज़ करना है तो डाइटिंग करें। Eating well is more important when you are taking after reducing your weight. Include things in your diet that increases your metabolism by suppressing your appetite so that you don't to eat too much. Therefore, if you want to reduce your weight, then there is no need to starve yourself. Now, last 7th myth is exercise makes you to eat more. Exercise leads to calories intake which can increase your appetite. Research studies conducted in this area have shown that कि वो व्यक्ति जो एक्सरसाइज नहीं करते हैं वे व्यायाम एक्सरसाइज करने वाले लोगों से ज़्यादा भोजन करते हैं और consume more energy. Therefore, there is no truth in this statement. Apart from this, there are many other myths which do not need to be noticed or accepted. Burn and gain calories as per your body requirement and be healthy. Thank you. Now